Hello and welcome to the Travel Future channel. Today I'm in Sardinia, Italy and I'm giving you a villa tour. There's some very old fashioned but very Italian bathroom and bedroom. There into more. Front door. This is like a washroom which is very common in Italy. This is the kitchen, very old fashioned but very, unique. Another bathroom, 50 million bathrooms obviously. And this is what I love about the house. Is the how like there's like trees in the middle. You can actually go in and like water them, and it's just like its own part, Eating table. Go outside. Can you believe we have some pool? Like this is crazy. Really nice. Can you see it in there? It goes all the way around. Really nice. Bathrooms. This is one of the bedrooms. It's a bit messy when it's literally just got here. This is the balcony. Just a crib there because it is an Airbnb, so for other people. But I'm gonna end it there. My villa tour. Hope you enjoy it. Please hit a thumbs up and all the rest. I love you all. Thank you very much.